This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.